Currently, council tax benefit is a national system for low-income households. From the 1st of April next year, the government is asking councils to introduce a replacement local council tax support system. The government is also reducing the grant for council tax benefit by at least 10%. This means there will be approximately £2.5 million less money given to Brighton and Hove City Council to support people on low incomes with their council tax. The council has decided to fund £1 million of these reductions, but this does mean that the amount spent on support for council tax will reduce by £1.5 million from April 2013. Pensioners will be unaffected by this change and will continue to receive the same levels of support that they do now. However, there will be changes to the support people of working age receive. In Brighton and Hove, there are 17,000 people of working age who currently receive help with their council tax benefit, and these changes will affect all of these people. So the council are proposing an approach which means the available money for council tax discount is distributed as fairly as possible between these people. It will be means tested, so the worse off get the most help. We will try and help people who are moving into work. There will also be a discretionary fund available for vulnerable people in exceptional circumstances. And finally, the scheme will be reviewed once a year. The changes being proposed mean that instead of council tax benefit being based on the full amount of council tax a person pays, it will be based on 90% of the amount they pay. So, for example, Mary lives with her partner in a Band A property, and they're both on job seekers allowance. Their council tax is £18.95 per week, and in 2012 to 13 they receive full council tax benefit. They will automatically be assessed for council tax discount, and they will receive a discount of 90% on their full liability, which is worth £17.05 per week. They will therefore have to pay £1.90 a week themselves in council tax. People who are currently in receipt of council tax benefit will not have to pay more than £3 a week extra than they do this year as a result of these changes, unless their other circumstances change. To help people who are moving into work, we're proposing to double the amount of earned income which is ignored for single people from £5 to £10 a week. For vulnerable people in exceptionally difficult situations, we're proposing to create a £100,000 fund that people can apply for to have the full cost of their council tax met. We're currently consulting on these changes and welcome all views. If you'd like to tell us what you think, please visit the council website. The consultation is open until the 7th of September so that a final decision can be made on what the scheme will look like in October. We will then start to contact everyone who might be affected by the changes to let them know exactly how their council tax benefits may change.